that used to have what do they call it, rashes or any kind of skin problem when seeing your menses, you really need this thing. Because me, I'm a typical example of that. Anytime on my monthly flow, my face looks as if the fighting Ted was there. So for you, if you have that kind of skin problem, if you have that kind of facial problem, and your confidence kind of drop when you're experiencing that kind of thing. I don't really go out, I don't snap pictures, but now I'm really looking, because I'll be on my monthly flow now, my skin will be glowing and all that, my face will be glowing, and yeah, I look really pretty. So this is what I do. I just use honey. Yeah, natural honey. Yeah, you can see that I'm really using it. So I just use natural honey to just apply it on my face. So guys, I have actually used kind of lukewarm water to open the pores of my face. I use warm water to wash my face, and then I'm going to use my honey. I'll apply on my face, and then I'm going to use my cold water to wash my face. That's to close the pores of my face. Okay, and I'll be doing it off the camera. So guys, this is very, very good. Honey is an anti-aging property, so you can use it. I used to use honey to mix my cream as well. I put honey in my cream. I use it for my hair, so many things, but I'll be showing you what I used to do. This is very